Hi, this is Missy. Welcome back to my video. Today we're going to ask you a question. Are you having cooking fatigue? Because this has been a common experience that most people have now. One positive identified from the isolation lockdown is the increase of home cooking. But let's face it, not everyone is capable of immerse themselves in the kitchen and shine. It is not your fault that you're going to run out of the idea cooking in the kitchen day in, day out and don't know what to do next. The monotony will kick in and you're going to feel the cooking fatigue. We don't have the talent nor the abundant resources of a restaurateur that can create a beautiful menu with lovely, yummy, delicious meals every day. But I do have some suggestions that you can use to allow yourself take a break and cheat a little, but make some really smart move to make cooking more enjoyable. Now, my first tip is the faster pasta. Instead of making your own gnocchi from scratch, you can go and get the shop bought packet and add some interesting sauce instead of the tomato sauce. Why not try hummus? Second, do the stir-fried and rice and bring together the whole one bowl meal to your family. Isn't that great? Next thing is use the Asian noodle. That would only take minutes to get ready while you prepare all the other ingredients. Now, talk about ingredients. We all know that the famous method is 4 ingredients. Why not use less? Now, we talked about theme nights. Why not make it a taco night or making a wrap? You know, those beautiful banana peanut butter wrap is so attractive to children and they are full of goodness and nutrients and fibers in it too. So you don't have to worry about whether they are getting the good healthy food or not. Plus, you can also make your own burger at home. That is just as good as the fast food joints, right? Give it a go. And that won't take long to do, and it will make it interesting too. Well, how about this idea? Make it a soup and bread night. You can use a tin of tomato soup as the base and then add all the beautiful yummy vegetable in it to make it your own signature soup. How about getting a box of basic pizza base and then top with all the beautiful ingredients that you prefer to have and make it your own signature pizza? That won't take long. What about instead of doing the mashed potato, you make a beautiful, simple potato salad. You just boil your potatoes and then add rosemary salt. Problem solved. You don't even need any fat, and that is tasty enough. Let's continue with the cheat ones. But you gotta be smart. When I make the cake, box of cake mix will be handy. But you gotta watch out. Have a look at their label, whether there's any trans fat or excessive sugar in it. Add all the ingredients that you prefer. For example, some really nice caramelized apple, so you can make an apple cake. That's quick and easy. My favorite is the frozen pastry that I can use it as a base to do different kind of sweet dessert that's really quickly in the oven. So I hope these tips help you to get some more ideas, take a break from your normal cooking and cheat a little, but enjoy the genius in it. I know you won't remember everything that I mentioned here, but you can go to my website, have a look at the list that's ready there for you to brainstorm, or go to my Instagram to have a look at my food journey. Why not go to my Facebook page, Vegetarian Beginners, to get some more ideas and concepts. Until next time, be well.